Bonjour! In this video for beginner Procreate users, I will show you how to reproduce this liquid paint effect on your lettering. With this tutorial, you will learn how to use the Liquify tool and how to add volume to your lettering by adding highlights and shadows. By the way, if you want to use the same color palette, you can get it for free in the Creative Vault thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! So first, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. I have drawn this letter for this artwork, and you can use it too if you want. You just have to download the image thanks to the link just below this video. Now we are going to add a clipping mask. If you want to learn more about clipping mask, I invite you to watch this video. Go to your layers panel and create a new layer on top of your letter, then tap on it and tap clipping mask. Now let's add colors on your letter. Go to your brush library, airbrushing brush set, then choose the soft brush. Select one of the light colors from the color palette. Then draw lines on your letter with your brush with a reasonably large size. And draw multiple lines with multiple colors from the color palette to fill the letter. Once you are done, tap the Adjustments menu icon and Gaussian blur in layer mode. Then slide slightly to the right to add blur to your colors. It will blend them a little bit. Now go back to the Adjustments menu and select Liquify. There's multiple options to use the Liquify tool at the bottom of your screen, and we are going to use the mode Push. For the sliders below, you can add a high intensity for pressure and low intensity for the distortion and the momentum. Regarding the size, adjust it so that the shape is smaller than the brush stroke of your lettering. To apply the effect, I follow the movement of my letter. First, I have made this first loop, then this stroke from top to bottom. Feel free to stretch a color as far as possible along the letter. When you are satisfied, you can merge your two layers, tap on the top layer, then tap Merge Down. Go back to the Adjustments menu and select the Liquify tool again. Lower a little bit the size of the Liquify tool and use it along the edge of your lettering to create slight variations. and even in some places, you can stretch the lettering as if the paint is dripping. Now let's add highlights and shadows on your letter to create volume. Create 2 new layers on top of your letter. Add clipping mask on both. Tap on the letter N on each one, then slide to select the overlay blend mode. Select the top one. Grab this light blue color with the soft brush. Imagine that the light is coming from the top of the artwork, so draw with your brush on the top side of your brush strokes. Select the second layer with this dark blue color and draw on the bottom side of your brush strokes. Now you can merge your 3 layers by pinching them together. For the finishing touches, first, make sure your letter is in the middle of your canvas. Tap the transformation tool and make sure that snapping is on. Then drag your layer in the middle of your canvas. Create a new layer on top. Tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Go to the Adjustments menu. Tap Sharpen Layer, slide to adjust to 100%. Go to the Adjustments menu again. Tap Chromatic Aberration in Layer Mode, slide to adjust to around 7%. Go back to the Adjustments menu one last time. Tap Noise Layer and slide to adjust to 5%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a free course to help you get started in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!